Hello everyone, a very good evening. Welcome to the Breeze News, and today we have the absolutely stunning Miss Malvi Manotra right here with us. So very warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Loving seeing you.
Thank you so much. So I must say that today you look absolutely stunning, and there might be many people who would have fallen in love with you right at the first sight. So let me ask you, do you personally believe in love at first sight?
No, I don't think so. I believe in love at first sight, but I think takes me time to gradually know a person, and for me, no, it doesn't happen.
That's it.
Yeah.
Alright, so if I have to ask, then what would be the quality which actually attracts you to a person when you look at that person for the very first time?
Okay, so very first time I just see like how the person is behaving, how chivalrous a guy is, and first thing I notice like how poised his attitude towards me, and that is what impressed me. I don't like people who just don't respect women and they don't know how to treat a woman, because it's very important to treat a woman like a royalty, and that's what I look for.
Alright, so that's the quality which actually attracts you.
Yes.
So good to know that. Alright, so now that you have spoken about the way a man treats a woman is something which actually attracts you.
Right.
So let me ask you that if I have to go back to the, Bollywood style, what would be that one song which actually you think describes your life?
Describes my life or describes me?
Describes your life and you in general. So I think we can get two songs. I'll be agree with it.
Okay, so describes me is GRA from Jab Tak Hai Jaan. That is me, like what
That's your
Anushka is
vibe.
playing. Yeah,
Right.
that is me. And my life, I think there are so many songs, because every situation you can relate to different songs, and there cannot be one song which will describe your life. And there are many songs I love. The old songs like Madhubala and Meena Kumari, they were the like iconic stars of Indian cinema, and I really look up to them.
So you truly love the iconic, classy Bollywood style of songs.
Yeah.
I get that. And if I have to name a few, that those would be the ones which you actually think goes with your life. That's what you mean. You're absolutely classy and iconic. I get the point.
You get the point. True. Yes.
Thank you so much. So, now let me ask you something interesting. So, what is the most ridiculous rumor you have heard about yourselves?
Ridiculous, like people start linking me up with different people, different of my co-actors, which I really don't even know myself, that this is my boyfriend. I didn't know that. You
To
know
my
it better.
surprise.
So yeah, a lot of rumors I get it from people which I see in the news or the social media, but unfortunately it's not true.
It's not true. So, I can conclude that you're single, if I may have to.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I'm single and ready to mingle.
So all the boys, I think that's a key hint to you. She's single and ready to mingle. So of course, try your luck.
Yeah.
Alright. That's so good to know. I wish I was a boy so that I can sit with you right here.
That's such a compliment. Thank you, Simran.
Thank you so much. Alright, so moving on, there would be situations in life, Malvi, when you think that you have given your absolute best, but the results are not the way you have desired. Then how do you deal with such situations in life?
Yeah, because our industry is so unpredictable that we come across certain situations where things doesn't happen according to you, and sometimes it happens like you have given 100% and one person in the team is not working hard or doing their job in the right way. So because of that one person, the whole team and the whole project suffer, which I really don't like, because for example, there are directors, there are DOPs, there are actors, there are so many. It's not a one person's job. It's like so
Teamwork.
many people coming together and making one product. So if one person also is not perfect or doing their job right, so everyone has to suffer, and it happened to me once in my film. where everything was perfect just because just one person was not right, and because of that the whole project got suffer and turned out to be really bad, which I don't mind saying it because until unless it's my project. So yeah, it happens.
Then how did you overcome it?
You can't overcome it. It's just a part of your life, and you
stays
have
with
to
you.
just stay. You have to just keep moving on. You can't just hold on and keep things in your heart. Whatever happened, you just have to take the lesson from it and just keep moving on.
So Malvi, I've heard about you that you are a fitness enthusiast, and today I can actually witness it live. So can you please share some of your tips and tricks to actually look the way you do?
Yeah. So thank you for the compliment. First thing. So I feel that a discipline is very important part of your life, and it should be your lifestyle, because without discipline you can't function. And you should have a proper timings for food. Like there should be a proper fixed timings for your food, and avoid junk food, eat home food, healthy food, and sleep on time. That is must. Sleep on time, waking up early. These are the basic things which I follow, and it has completely transformed my life. And other than that, yoga, a bit of strength training, and that's all. The conscious living, meditation. That's
This has to conclude, you say that equally physical health and mental health.
It's very,
Both
very
play a prominent role.
very.
Get that. Alright, let's move on to some fun questions. Malvi, I wanted to ask, what is your funniest moment you have ever witnessed on the set?
Funniest moment? Yes, so many. So, last film which I was shooting, I should not say it, but I was shooting with the real snakes, the real cobras, and it was a horrific experience, but at the same time it was very funny because I was shooting with dogs and the snakes, and they were like, there was literally a dog and snake fight, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, it was too. And the most funny thing that I'm blind in the film and I can't see dog and snake, but in actual I'm seeing it. So yeah, it was too much fun.
Okay, so it was actually humorous that you can see the dog and the snake, whatever is happening, and then you had to pretend like, no, I'm
No,
not
I'm
able to
not,
see. You
I
had to
can't
control whole lot of emotions.
Right.
Get that. All right, so now moving on to my last question. So Malvi, if you have to define your podcast or your interview right here today in 3 words, then what would that be?
Fun, interesting, and beautiful as well.
Thank you so much, Malvi. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. I hope you really enjoyed the podcast.
Thank
This
you.
was Malvi Malhotra, and I am Simran signing off.